Bro, जैसे शान सर का रियल नेम है शांतनु वन.
जी.
A lot of people did not know that.
जी.
माही का रियल नेम क्या है?
Shubh, that gave me one very important piece of advice, which was that if you want to be a genuine performer, singer, you have to be able to sing at a drop of a hat and you have to enjoy it, यार. वो घर पे you can't be shy and all के नहीं मुझे नहीं गाना है, मैं सिर्फ स्टूडियो में गाना.
आज मेरा गला.
या फुल आज मेरा गला खराब है. That no यार, you have to जैसे फट से
ड्रॉप हुआ.
मिलना तेरा लगे फुल you know just in a second.
बहुत शुभ विचार हैं आपके.
The biggest reward for an artist is क्या है कि when you're able to spread happiness.
Yeah.
I was in college before this.
Oh.
Yeah, I was. Yeah. But I had to explain why late assignment took you. So I was thinking, मैम मेरा वो show चल रहा था. Saying मैं Google करता हूँ शुमू कर कोई नहीं आता. तो नहीं मैं
Go by the name Mahi.
माही से. Oh, okay चल मैं देखता हूँ. अच्छा जी.
This is you in a JCB. Why, bro?
सर कि मुझे वो एक चलाना है एक JCB और my friends were like what? वहाँ फरारी है, वहाँ पोर्श है,
And you won't.
वहाँ मज़राटी है, तो तुझे JCB चलाना है. Have to give us jobs, please. Exactly.
पान वाला के next में जो खड़ा होता है.
हाँ, well versed. Clearly the host of things to do.
Sometimes for a good life, all you need is some good vibes. But ये good vibes है क्या?
If you are in my life, you're someone who's been giving me good vibes. 4 दोस्त, पुरानी बातें और एक गाड़ी. I think मेरे लिए good vibes हो.
Good vibes really set my comfort level. So that's very important for me.
जो भी कुछ दिल से करने का मन करे, I think वो good vibes है.
हर किसी का है good vibes का अपना ही एक version. But हमारे लिए it's all about a good conversation. और आज हमारे साथ ही गुड वाइब्स शेयर करने को वी हैव अ रियली स्पेशल गेस्ट, जिनको नाम मिला शान से मगर पहचान मिली आवाज से, जिनकी गायकी ने पूरी जनरेशन पे अपनी जादूगरी फैला दी, तो जिनके सॉरी ने रोमांस को एक नई राह दिखा दी, जो अब तैयार हैं कईयों के दिल बहकाने तो कहीं मचाने तबाही. प्लीज वेलकम टू द शो माही.
Thank you. वो introduction में आपसे चुराने वाला हूँ. I've never heard something that.
Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
So nice to have you on the show. I firstly congratulations on Dil Behkai Ka
Oh,
release.
thank you.
The song is really nice. The video is also very nice. सुन के मतलब it's on loop. सुबह से तो loop पे सुन रहा हूँ.
Thank you.
And I hope the audience shows the same love.
Fingers crossed.
Yes, we're gonna dive more into it. But since the show is about good vibes,
जी.
what is good vibes for you? And how important is it?
I think सबसे important चीज़ है good vibes. I think मेरे लिए भी, you know, I think for anyone for that matter, I think good vibes is what, especially music में क्या कि for us to, you know, for me to sing my best, to, you know, think of something that's, you know, creatively stimulating, all of that you need good vibes. And I think art भी ऐसा चीज़ है, कला भी ऐसा चीज़ है कि, you know, it's something that you need to be in a great mind space for. Right? So I think that's why good vibes is especially important. लेकिन सबके लिए, it's not like only artists को good vibes चाहिए. You know, it's for everyone.
Yeah, I would tell you music plays such an important role. If let's say I want to feel happy, I'll listen to a few happy songs and I will get into that mode. I want to go and work out, I want to be aggressive, I'll listen to those kind of songs. Do you also do those
Yeah, बिल्कुल 100%. Yeah, मेरे लिए तो music makes the mood.
Yeah.
I think इसलिए that's why I don't listen to a lot of sad music.
Yeah.
क्या why do I want to put
Why do
myself
you
in
wanna
that
feel
bad
sad?
mood?
हाँ.
But कभी-कभी हो जाता है ना, you want to get that थोड़ा रिलीज करना पड़ता है.
इतनी भी खुशी नहीं चाहिए लाइफ में.
बिल्कुल.
तो
नहीं.
स्ट्रगल के लिए सैडनेस जरूरी है. To realize it, taking a step ahead.
Yeah, वो क्या है कि breakup हो गया. You need that थोड़ा दर्द. You need to get it out.
Yeah.
But otherwise, yeah, music sets the mood for me as well. Yeah, जब भी workout करने जाता हूँ, also the music is completely different. Yeah, I'm chilling. Music is different. Half the time, I'm just sitting on a swing and listening to music at home.
That's cool, man. वो जैसे शान सर का रियल नेम है शांतनु वन.
जी.
A lot of people did not know that.
जी.
माही का रियल नेम क्या है?
शुभ.
शुभ.
Yeah, my name
That's
is
a very
Shubh Mukherjee.
auspicious. शुभ मुखर्जी, yeah.
शुभ मुखर्जी. Yeah.
Has a very nice ring to it.
हाँ.
तो माही कैसे आया?
If you ask my mom, she makes me say क्योंकि माँ ही सब कुछ होती है. इसलिए माही.
Oh, damn.
लेकिन also I'm a big Dhoni fan. No, it was a few things. I think मुझे बचपन से I knew कि मुझे वो एक stage name चाहिए था. I wanted a different name. Also, there's another artist who goes by Shubh.
Right.
So also to avoid confusion there, probably decided 2-3 years back. But also beyond that, I always wanted a a stage name. I think it sort of gives you that thoda extra confidence ke
Yeah.
you could just begin go on stage. Because also क्या I was always a little anxious about performing, but I guess that name वो psychologically वो थोड़ा कुछ हो जाता है कि
Yeah, and I think Mahi is a very happy name also.
it is. It's
You
very
hear
lovely.
Mahi and you think कि okay हाँ
हाँ,
कुछ मिसाल
yeah,
ही होगा कोई.
And it's also it's sweet. I'm like
तो we feel कि जब good vibes की बात करते हैं
जी.
तो a lot of good vibes come from having the right people in your life.
absolutely.
The people that you surround yourself with, the people you meet on daily basis, and people you want to meet regularly.
Mhm.
तो आपकी लाइफ में वो लोग कौन है जिनसे good vibes आती है?
Gee, I think शुरुआत तो I think always happens at home. So
Yeah.
you know the family obviously is. I'm very lucky to have
That's
mom
good.
and dad, brother. All all always so sweet, always so supportive. I think another two very very special people are both the dogs at home.
Oh yes.
Yeah, Ginger and
Yeah.
Pepper.
The
जब
two
भी
good.
mood थोड़ा कम हो जाता हूँ, they fix it. And obviously friends are always there. You know क्या है कि वो I think it's very important to have that वो थोड़ा लौंडाबाजी
हाँ.
होना चाहिए ना.
The
You
boys
just-
gang.
Exactly, yeah. You sit at home, you play FIFA,
Yeah.
just making fun of each other for 2 hours straight.
You're
So
good at
that's always
FIFA?
good. I'm damn good.
You're damn good.
Yeah. Open challenge.
Open challenge. I'll take
Anyone.
it up. I'll take it up.
Yeah?
We'll do one.
I'm good.
I'm also good.
Yeah?
So I think I'm good. My friends, they always push me कि
Yeah.
challenge हुआ तू लड़. So yeah. So since we're talking about people in life, we wanted to start with the people that inspired you to
जी.
take the field of singing. Of course, begins at home.
Of course.
I'm sure Shan sir से तो
100%. Yeah,
inspiration मिला होगा.
बिल्कुल. Of course. Dad has been, क्या है कि I've gotten very comfortable fast. Yeah. But क्या है कि whenever people ask about how dad has inspired you or done that, a lot of the time my first thought isn't always music, right? Because it's just that for me he's just dad, right? So it's so much beyond music. It's life, right?
Yeah,
It's
man.
like it's everything. The way you speak to people, the way you approach people, all of that is a lot of it is inspired from mom and dad.
Yeah.
So then sometimes I have to focus in extra. Okay, music specifically में क्या was it? But then obviously it's tons. Yeah, I think what happened was growing up, just like seeing how much fun he had on stage, seeing how much fun he had with his music, how much fun he still has with his music.
Yeah.
That probably put something in my head when I was pretty small. Must be quite fun
Yeah.
singing on stage. And जब से वो कीड़ा आ गया ना तभी तो
Yeah. तो realize कब हुआ वो कीड़ा कि
I think
अब
9 is when I thought कि मुझे singer बनना है.
okay.
But maybe from 9 to 13, I didn't really realize how much it takes. मैंने बस वो I took
Shock
it for
था.
granted कि मुझे singer बनना है. So I used to do riyaz also. But like properly I wouldn't do it. ना मतलब सारे गामा पा नी सा go to the washroom. 15 minutes. My Guruji used to be very angry. But then around 13, I think I realized कि अगर मुझे properly करना है, then I have to do this. That gave me one very important piece of advice, which was कि a singer, like if you want to be a genuine performer, singer, you have to be able to sing at a drop of a hat and you have to enjoy it, यार. वो घर पे you can't be shy and all के नहीं मुझे नहीं गाना है, मुझे सिर्फ स्टूडियो में गाना
आज मेरा गला
है, फुल आज मेरा गला खराब है, that no यार, you have to जैसे ही फट से
Beat drop हुआ है.
मिलना तेरा लगे
Oh, wow.
full like just in a second.
Yeah.
And I think जैसे ही dad told me that, I realized कि okay मेरा थोड़ा वो anxiety चल रहा है कि maybe I'm slightly afraid to sing, and probably because I wasn't too good. And I think as soon as I realized that if I want to get better first, I have to take that anxiety out. It's like a loop, na?
Right.
I'm not too good, so I won't sing. But I won't get better because I won't sing. So then वो loop चल रहा था. So until you realize that no, I will still sing even though I'm crap. And then you learn and then you get better.
But I think
Infancy.
how you mentioned confidence also plays
जी.
a
100%.
important
बिल्कुल
role
यार.
in choosing the right direction.
बिल्कुल.
Setting goals is not enough. Being confident about making the right choice is also important.
Absolutely agreed. 100%.
Right. And since we're talking about people in life, as you mentioned, friends also play an important role. So college life के बारे में जानना है कैसी है college life, because at this age where you should be
Actually, my college said direct. I was in college before this.
Oh.
Yeah, I was. Yeah. But I had to explain why late assignment took you. So I was saying, ma'am, मेरा वो show चल रहा था. Saying मैं Google करता हूँ, शुमू कर जी कोई नहीं आता. तो नहीं मैं
go by the name.
ये माही से. Oh, okay, चल मैं देखता हूँ. संजी.
That's so
But
cool.
Yeah.
And when you perform at
जी,
these fests, you
जी,
are like the guest.
जी.
I saw at many
हाँ जी.
college fests you're
जी,
going
जी,
as a
जी.
guest.
Yeah. It's yeah.
How
yeah.
is that feeling?
Yeah. It's odd. क्या like when you reach there, they're like I don't know. Sometimes they'll be like, "Sir, आपको पानी चाहिए, sir?"
अभी
पीछे
2
देखता हूँ
मिनट
कि
पहले
sir-
मैं bro था.
Yeah, and it's like you don't feel like because I mean I'm not like I keep telling the students also there who are like organizing the fest like तू मैं 19 साल का हूँ यार मतलब
हाँ guys.
like well, like they're the same age. Yeah, हमारी stage पे जाना cool. Okay, like ऐसे बात करो. So it's like that chilled out.
That's very nice. And when you perform concerts in different cities, so do you feel कि audiences में भी there is a difference कि अलग-अलग cities में अलग responses मिलते हैं?
Absolutely. I think क्या कि one example I'll give is like say in Guwahati,
Okay.
they enjoy music.
Yeah.
That's what I've realized. And if you see a lot of people across, our northeast region in India, they love concerts, they love live music, they love rock music,
Yeah.
And for that, I think they have another level of appreciation for live music. But in that region, in Calcutta as well, all of Bengal,
Yeah.
they have that this ke, nahi, it's sounding nice. कौन सा गाना है? So like this, that's there. So I've never had the chance to perform in the south yet,
Oh.
but I would love to.
Yeah.
Go at some
because
point.
I think the audience over there, they are very appreciative of music.
Yes, yeah. I've heard that they're very, again, like, in the Northeast, they're very, very, appreciative of music. And the South ka culture is also so rich, man.
Yeah.
So rich. I'm hoping to go to Chennai sometime soon.
Achha.
Yeah, I have a few friends also there studying at A.R. Rahman Sir's institute.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Where is AS?
That's in Chennai.
Chennai में.
जी.
Okay. And क्या वहाँ पे
Music.
just vocal music or
No, I think I have a friend there who's doing production as well.
Oh wow.
So I think they have different courses, and I think we have great schools all across India. That's one more thing. Okay, a lot of my friends this year, a lot of them have chosen to study in India, which
Yeah.
is refreshing. क्या है कि वो एक है ना online brain drain.
Yeah.
कि, so many people are going abroad to study, but and I think that's one good thing of performing at all these colleges. You see कि wow, what colleges we have in the country, yaar, what incredible campuses.
Exactly.
We don't have 103-acre campuses abroad. Yeah, नहीं है वहाँ पे.
Nothing. Yeah.
Yeah, that's here. So I mean, चलो
Take pride in the education this country is providing. Guys, come on.
100%.
There's a lot to explore. Please check it out.
बिल्कुल 100%. That's my 12th graders के लिए.
Right. Do you like house
Bollywood.
parties more? Yeah, clubbing.
नहीं, clubbing का मेरा उम्र नहीं. In 2 years I'll be let in.
We have a few memories of yours.
जी.
We got a sneak peek of them, but हमें उनके पीछे की कहानी जाननी है.
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल.
And we feel कि आपसे बेहतर कौन होगा वो कहानी बताने की. So this is the picture that I want to start with.
Oh wow.
This also went
Yeah.
viral a lot. I think this was your first introduction to the
Yeah.
somewhat.
This was genuinely the first song I ever learned, right? It was the first time I performed it was one of Dad's shows that Mom organized in Mumbai. It was, I think, Live, Love, Laugh, the name of the show was.
Achha.
It was in 2014.
Okay.
I was 9 and I had performed this song for the first time. And it was the first ever song we did. So for me, it was, being able to have that heard now meant a whole lot.
Yeah.
And I'm blessed. Yeah, I mean, you guys were very, very.
Another moment of when you were talking about that as singer should be like able to sing like that.
Gee, yeah.
You were like your Shan sir was just talking about कि I used to teach him Kishore
Ji.
Kumar songs, and you just went for it, bro. And what a lovely voice.
Thank you. That means a lot. Yeah, and I think of course
It's so soulful to listen to you.
Thank you. He means a lot. And I think Kishore Kumar ji is, he's the epitome, right? He's the top. He's the highest of the high. And he's the goat.
Yeah. So when we talk about good vibes, we feel कि कुछ जगहों से भी finding the right places, that also gives you good vibes.
जी.
आपके लिए कोई particular जगह है जहाँ से good vibes आती है?
For me, again, nothing like home, na.
Nothing like home.
Yeah, I think then
But
best
you're
vibes
back
are घर पे.
home, rested,
जी,
at peace.
बिल्कुल. Yeah. I think that. I think also some spiritual spots also help in giving you that little,
Right.
you get a sort of cleanse,
Yeah.
right? I think that very well. I think एक और for me again, just familiar places. I think probably give the best vibes. I'll be very lucky कि you know ज़िंदगी में ऐसे कुछ trauma नहीं है. You know, I've not gotten anything that traumatic where you know I have a certain place in my head कि नहीं यहाँ पे नहीं जा सकता. I mean, nothing like that, thankfully. So just familiar places, but I think you know good vibes. You have to make it yourself also at the same time, right? You know, अंदर से you have to bring it out.
Exactly. Any place can become good.
Exactly. Any place can become good. There are places that are nicer than some others.
Of course.
But I think you know अंदर से ले आना पड़ता है. You know.
And मुंबई में कोई ऐसी जगह है जहाँ से you get good vibes, you like to visit them?
Yeah, of course. I think Sea Link.
Sea Link, yeah.
Sea Link.
A drive on a
Yeah,
sea
yeah,
link,
100%. Yeah, बिल्कुल. बस वो टोल भरना पड़ता है तो कभी-कभी. But otherwise, Sea Link is obviously. I mean, that drive is very nice, and I think also it's important. But don't speed on the Sea Link, please. मैं हाथ जोड़ के बोल रहा हूँ. Stop speeding on the Sea Link. I am struggling to drive because मैं ले रहा हूँ. ये क्या हो रहा है?
ये कौन था?
Yeah, man. Sea Link is great. Man.
Sea Link is a great
Because you can see the
place to
entire, you know,
that Queens
horizon. हाँ,
necklace,
Queen's necklace भी दिख जाता है. That's damn nice. क्या है कि अभी coastal road भी same. You know, it helps me get to that वो Marine Drive.
Yeah.
वहाँ भी that's also quite nice. और obviously close to home वो Carter Road.
Carter Road, I think, is a very chill
Very
spot.
chilled out, right?
Very chilled out.
Very, very chilled out.
So, are you a beach person over mountains?
नहीं, mountains.
Mountain person.
क्या कि I just like the mountain. It just feels more at peace. Also मुंबई की गर्मी में you want to get to that little colder.
Your escape from Mumbai is mountain.
Exactly. Yeah, थोड़ा पावना के आसपास.
Yeah.
But but Mumbai is nothing new as like Mumbai food wise भी.
Yeah. Are you a foodie?
Yeah.
You enjoy? You like to try a lot of food?
Yeah, very open. I think
Mumbai में what are places you like? If you could recommend some to our audience.
Outside Prithvi Theatre.
Oh yeah,
You been there?
Prithvi Cafe.
Yeah.
I love the food out there. Their chili cheese paratha and
एक और there's a vendor for pani puri. Shev puri भी also.
तो जो बाहर है एकदम.
हाँ, exactly.
जो पान वाला के next में जो खड़ा होता है.
Yeah, well versed. Clearly the host of things to do. Yeah, he has a little tikha though. Otherwise also obviously NMIMS के आसपास वो वड़ा पाव.
Yeah, Anand.
Correct. Then Good Luck Cafe in Bandra.
Oh,
Very good.
ये तो बहुत rare find है.
Yeah, it's damn good. Yeah. And Bandra also has so many new cafes. Every week there's a new cafe.
New
in Bandra.
cafe opening है.
Every week.
Coffee culture तो बहुत बड़ा.
बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ी है. So I don't.
कभी ऐसे कोई डिश के लिए पर्टिकुलरली ट्रैवल किया कि यार वहाँ के जैसे कि मथुरा के पेड़े अच्छे हैं या दिल्ली के छोले भटूरे खाने चले गए.
दिल्ली में once we had a paratha.
अच्छा.
With that वो white butter.
ओए
Proper मतलब I know प्याज वाला पराठा. And with that and मतलब इतना this big this stick of butter was.
Wow.
And उसके साथ had sweet lassi also.
ओए ये मूर्थल लग रहा है मेरे को.
Yeah. And there was a show in the night. But
Wow.
I could not.
So when you travel for shows, do you go out and explore the cities as well?
Yeah, we check out the city. I think वही तो मजा है.
हाँ.
से होटल रूम में बैठ के शो करके वापस आके that's no real fun. तो हम we had gone to लखनऊ में.
लखनऊ हाँ.
लखनऊ में we had a टुंडे कबाब.
Oh man, that's too good.
Yeah, it was
Too good.
crazy.
Best kebabs ever.
It was
I've had.
crazy. It was madness. We had gone with the band. And
अच्छा.
क्या मजा है टुंडे कबाब.
You had it from that authentic
Yeah,
Tunde
टुंडे
wala-
कबाब.
Tunde
टुंडे से.
kebab.
Yeah, we had from there. It was crazy. वो दिल्ली में there's in the airport I was having and I had this Carnatic cafe.
हाँ.
It's a little fancier type.
Yeah.
It was damn nice.
Gourmet kind
Yeah, ऐसा कोई gourmet का ना डोसा thing. But I saw it, I was like, क्या है, try करता हूँ. And it's damn good. Even यहाँ का Madras cafe,
Oh yes.
so good.
Do you find good Bengali food out here?
Yeah. There's O Calcutta
Oh, Calcutta, yeah.
that has good Bengali food.
उनके काठी rolls I've heard.
Yeah,
they are
very good. Yeah. Like that तो mini Punjab भी बहुत सही है.
Mini Punjab.
Obviously not for Bengali though.
हाँ, for the rolls.
But yeah.
कोलकाता बिरयानी अगर किसी को खानी है authentic, तो I think वो Calcutta की.
O Calcutta has good
biryani.
biryani. First, seafood Gajali is also damn good.
Oh,
Yeah.
भूख लगती जा रही है.
Yeah, but yeah. So.
This was another post. I think this was from Cannes.
Oh, Cannes. Yes, of course.
How was the
Cannes
experience
Festival.
of
That was crazy.
Cannes?
Yeah, that was crazy.
Performing at Cannes?
That was pretty mad. And I think, it was also very early on. Right?
Yeah.
So
And especially at such a young age, I think the impact.
G. I think it's a blessing to be able to be given that stage. तो बस it was that only. It was a little scary. I was very scared.
Yeah.
लेकिन वहाँ का breakfast भी बहुत सही था यार.
Oh.
वो croissant and all yeah.
Oh yeah, French
Croissant, no.
breakfast.
Croissant.
Croissant.
So that was damn nice. And obviously, beyond the food, the performance was also great. And it was just a humbling experience, to be there. And to have dad obviously there meant the world.
Yeah.
Mohammed also there.
Oh yeah.
But yeah.
So let's move forward.
Ji.
So we feel कि good vibes comes from a lot of things that you do. A lot of activities. किसी के लिए driving हो सकती है, किसी के लिए swimming हो सकती है, going for walks, maybe gaming, as you mentioned. तो आपके लिए what all activities or things that you do that brings you good vibes? I think FIFA is one for
of course. Jamming, obviously guitar pick.
Jamming, yes.
That's obviously a lot of fun. Just Riyaz, Subah mein, that helps
yes.
clear your mind. It's sort of like a meditation also at some point. साथ में sports. I love sports. Watching, playing.
I even saw you playing volleyball.
Yeah. I was at school में I used to play volleyball quite a bit.
Yeah, that's too cool, man. वो इतना pick up नहीं हुआ है वो sport, but it's
हाँ,
a very
it's
fun
a great sport, man. And वो I think volleyball championship एक है.
हाँ.
So I watched that also कभी-कभी.
Oh wow.
So that's also damn nice. साथ में gym. Obviously,
Fitness.
just staying fit, I think is so important.
Right. And do you like adventurous activities? Do you like trekking, camping, those sort of things?
I like new experiences. Yeah. I like challenging myself and stuff.
Right.
So any trek, any this, Bhavna Lake के पास,
Yeah.
Bhavna Dam के पास, I'm always open to that.
Oh wow.
Karjat waterfall पे भी,
Karjat waterfall.
we
yeah.
run some treks and all that. Yeah, I just like new experiences. Yeah, मुझे नया चीज़ अच्छा.
Which is important, guys. I think
100%. Yeah, get yourselves out there.
Yeah, get out there.
बिल्कुल.
That is important.
जी.
And binge watch. Do you like to binge watch?
Honestly, man, just a sports. Like,
Just sports.
yeah, majority
OTT
watching
वगैरह वो
sports.
सब.
वो आजकल I've started.
Okay.
I've been watching a little more because the content also India is making is
Is progressing like anything.
exactly, coming out with better and better stuff by the day.
Yeah.
So that's also a lot of fun. अभी तो I'm watching Zindhi Girls.
अच्छा.
Yeah, which I'm quite enjoying.
ठीक है. Another emo memory I think
जी.
we have.
Oh wow.
This is you in a JCB. Why, bro? क्यों?
So me and 3-4 friends,
Yeah.
we are all gone to an event called Generation Speed.
Generational speed.
Yeah, Generation Speed.
Okay.
And it's a car event, car show.
Okay.
And it's run by 70mg. It's my uncle's it's his event company, and they do tons of events. And this is something कि honestly मेरा इतना शौक नहीं है गाड़ियों से, लेकिन all of my friends they are very like
passionate
yeah we love भाई that's a bro thing. C800 2425. So मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आता. लेकिन I like whatever which person doesn't want to see fast cars.
Yeah.
Time pass. और वहाँ पे एक ऐसा स्टॉल था. तो I said कि मुझे वो एक चलाना है एक JCB. और my friends were like what? वहाँ फरारी है, वहाँ पोर्श है,
And you won't.
वहाँ मज़राटी है, और तुझे JCB चलाना है. I said look, जिंदगी में तो कभी तो we'll get to sit in a Ferrari. कुछ तो कहीं तो दुबई जाके 1 घंटे के लिए रेंट करके बैठ
कर
जाएंगे.
लेंगे, yeah. Very valid point, yeah.
लेकिन JCB में when will you get this chance? को you need a license to run a JCB.
Yeah.
और I saw it, तो I asked the guy, said मैं try करो.
कर लो.
So then I did it, थोड़ा टाइम पास भी किया. एक
थोड़ा,
फुटबॉल था.
I saw.
फट. And yeah, it was great. तो सिंगिंग नहीं चला तो
Bob the Builder.
Bob the Builder.
When I saw you on screen for Dil Behka
जी.
the whole video is looking very fun.
Thank you.
First of all, the concept of doing it at a gaming
Arcade,
place,
yeah.
arcade gaming place, that is very cool, and that connects with the Gen Z and
जी,
millennials
of course.
a lot. I think ये short में
Short में था.
shoot
जी,
हुआ है
बिल्कुल.
मुंबई में,
Yeah. Close by.
close by.
Yeah.
So we also, because I could relate to, because our gang also we also
Goes to short.
goes to
Yeah,
short.
exactly. Perfect.
वीडियो ज़्यादा अच्छा है गाइस, म्यूजिक ज़्यादा
Yeah,
अच्छा है,
yeah, yeah.
सॉन्ग ज़्यादा अच्छा है, शॉर्ट के बारे में हम फिर भी बातें करते रहेंगे कभी ना कभी.
But
दिल
yeah,
बहका है देखो.
definitely. Yeah,
So,
it's a very.
I love it personally.
Thank you.
I think my team also loves it.
Thanks, guys.
We were all listening to it last evening also.
जी.
So I think we all like it. we want our viewers also to go check it out and tell us what you thought of it. Comment, हमारे comments में भी बताओगे कैसा लगा.
Gee, you know, it's a song that we worked on for a very long time. Yeah. So for me, it's a very very special song, and to be able to collaborate with Para
Yeah.
is a big opportunity for me.
Yeah,
you know,
very
big lot of
new kind of a.
Gee, yeah, it's a very new vibe for me and me as well.
Yeah.
You know, it's a very pop, very
Yeah,
poppy,
poppy,
sort of groovy track, and to be able to also do full hardcore hook step on camera first time was also quite fun. You know, it's something that I've been working on for a while. So I told everyone कि इस गाने पे I'm going to make a song के हम proper hook step करेंगे. And then the entire team who helped me the song, Rutvik, Harjot and Shlok, I told them कि नहीं यार मुझे एक proper ऐसा beat चाहिए जो मतलब proper full ठक ठक.
Right.
And then Paras and Bautik made it so nice.
Oh, wow.
And made the hook step so well. And then it was just, I was blessed. Yeah, such a solid team, such an incredible partner in Para.
Yeah.
I was. Thank you, God.
So with that, I've just come to the last question for the day. We feel that, of course, there might be a lot of things, but in the things that you've done now, or maybe on what's on your bucket list, what is that one thing that you feel you are yet to do?
अभी तो बहुत कुछ है, अभी तो yeah, just
Current
starting.
bucket list में क्या है?
Something as this is, I'd love to perform at a festival in India. I'd love to headline a festival at some point.
Yeah.
No, obviously not now.
Right.
Far away from that. But one of the goals would be to headline a festival in India.
India,
like any one of the, to be the headliner is, it's a big thing, and I feel like, I could,
Pull it off.
not
I
yet,
think you
maybe, not yet, but I could, give it my all.
Yeah.
And that's something I was, I'm obviously hoping for within the next 10, 15 years. If I'd be able to do that at some point, that would be absolutely great. Because I think performing for me is it's probably my favorite thing in the world.
That's a great goal to have in a bucket list. I don't think a lot of people have.
Yeah, it's very specific.
Yeah. With that, we've just come to the end of this episode. I hope you had fun. Bro.
I did. It just felt like you were talking. Cameras के बारे में मैं तो भूल गया.
We had a blast. I hope you guys enjoyed watching us too. If you did, make sure you like, share and subscribe to Things to Do. If you could also tell our audience.
Of course, make sure you guys like, share and subscribe to Things to Do and keep spreading the
good vibes. दोस्तों good vibes ढूंढते जाओ और good life पाते जाओ. Ta-da!
Like I'm very, very set on that.
How you mentioned Dhoni, दो माही दोनों तबाही.
Aye.
मेरा
ये भी टी-शर्ट पे.
ये भी print कराओ guys, print कराओ. You sound like an old soul in a very young boys.
Yeah, my friends make fun of me. You're a 50-year-old man.
If there's 2 Madrid fans or 2 Barca fans and you want to take that thing, that is also
It's a pain.
big. You're good at FIFA?
I'm damn good. Yeah. Open challenge.
Open challenge. I'll take
Anyone. And क्या है ना कि जब I won't say my favorite team, but my favorite team is not that good, right? We don't win a lot. It's tough, man, supporting a club that loses.
Yeah. जब आपकी bowling अच्छी होने लग जाए या कभी 2 छक्के
एक बार वो गली क्रिकेट में
वो फिर लगने
took 2 wickets in the same over all of a sudden you're thinking कि
मेरा line and length तो अच्छा है.
Yeah, I think कभी तो ऐसा bowler तो
मैं भी बन
India के लिए
बनना चाहिए.
Cool. Then very soon you get humbled very fast. But
how you mentioned in the beginning that art should be about spreading happiness.
Exactly.
This is the right example for that.
I think it was
more. This looks so cute, so
more happiness for me.
Yeah. If you could sing a few lines of Dil Behka Hai.
देख ले जो एक पल तुझको दिल तो मन ही मन में खुश हो जाए हाँ इश्क की खुशबू लगती तू तेरे आने से मौसम मुस्काए और as long as the मौसम is मुस्काएंगे then enough things to do.